Hello guys, welcome to Makaut CSE. In this video, we will discuss about the effective communication in the organization. In this session, we will also explore the intricacies of communication process and examine the different types of communication, verbal, non-verbal, written, and we will identify the common barriers that hinder the effective communication and discuss the strategies to overcome them. By the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of how to enhance the communication with your workplace. So let's dive and learn how to communicate more effectively to foster a productive organizational environment. At first, the communication process. The communication process is a fundamental aspect of human interaction in organizations, involving the exchange of information between a sender and a receiver through a medium. This process begins with the sender encoding a message, which is then transmitted through a chosen channel such as spoken words, emails or gestures to the receiver, who decodes and interprets the message. Feedback from the receiver back to the sender completes the loop, ensuring the message has been understood and as intended. Effective communication relies on clarity, active listening and timely feedback, which collectively enhance the understanding and minimize the misinterpretation. The environment in which the communication takes place, including the noise and other potential distractions, can significantly influence the efficiency of the process. Okay? So now it is time to discuss about the types of communication. In the organizational setting, the communication can be categorized into verbal, non-verbal and written forms. Verbal communication includes the spoken words, either face-to-face or via technology such as phone calls or video conferencing. It is direct and allows for immediate feedback. Non-verbal communication encompassing the body language, facial expression, eye contact and gesture often conveys more than words alone and plays a crucial role in reinforcing or contradicting the verbal messages. Written communication, which include the email, report, memos, and other text-based formats, provides a record of information and instructions, allowing for thoughtful review and reference. Each type has its own advantages and appropriate context, requiring a strategic choice based on the nature of the message and the audience. So now, the barriers and the effective communication. So, several barriers can impede effective communication within the organization. Physical barriers such as distance and environmental noise can distort or block the message. Psychological barriers include the stress, mistrust, and emotional states that hinder the open communication. Language barriers arise from differences in language, jargon, or technical terms in that may not be universally understood. Cultural barriers result from differing the cultural norms and values that affect how messages are perceived. Additionally, organizational barriers such as hierarchical structure and rigid policies can restrict the free flow of information. Overcoming these barriers involves recognizing and addressing their sources, fostering an environment of trust and openness, and ensuring the clarity and precision in messaging. So now it is time to discuss about the strategies to improve the communication in the workplace. So improving communication in the workplace requires a multifaceted approach. Encouraging an open door policy can promote the transparency and reduce the hierarchical barriers. Active listening, which involves fully concentrating, understanding and responding, and remembering what is being said, enhances the mutual understanding and respect. Providing regular feedback ensures that employees are aware of their performance and can adjust their actions accordingly. Utilizing the diverse communication channels appropriately, such as combining face-to-face meeting for complex discussion with emails for routine updates, ensures the messages are effectively conveyed. Training programs focused on communication skills can empower employees to articulate their thoughts clearly and listen empathetically. Lastly, fostering a culture that values and rewards open, honest and respectful communication can significantly enhance the overall organizational effectiveness. Okay? So at the end of the video, thank you for joining us this exploration of effective communication in the organization. We have covered the communication processes, types of communication, barriers, strategies to enhance the workplace interaction. So by implementing and these insights, you can foster a more collaborative and efficient environment. Remember, the good communication is the cornerstone of organizational success. So keep practicing and refining your skills. See you in the next session. Okay, so thanks for watching, and like, share, and also subscribe our channel for more videos in this subject. Okay, so goodbye.